See, my journey has been it's been a very planned journey. Let me tell you that, because when I was 8 years old, and that takes me back to our school days at Saint Xavier's.
Yeah.
I had it very clear in my mind that I wanted to do something in the kitchen. Of course, I did not know that I wanted to be a chef, but I wanted to do something, which was very clear.
Right.
And this all actually started there because I remember I was 8 years old and I told my father that I want to do hotel management. So he just looked at me and he said, "Oh, where do you pick up these big words from?" So I said, there's this American Chinese chef. His name is Martin Yan. He has this show called Yan Can Cook. So I used to watch that show and I told him that I want to do something like that. I want to cook on the television one day. So he said, yeah, finish your 10th and then finish your 12th. And then let's see, then we can do something. So the day I got my 12th standard result, I remember going to my father and telling him that, now what? अब तो हो गया जो बोला था,
Right.
अब बताओ क्या
Right.
करना है. So he
Right.
that time kind of, he understood the gravity of my interest. And that's where he kind of took me to Rizvi College, which was a hotel management college then.
Correct.
He took me there. We kind of enrolled ourselves, and my career graph completely changed because from point one, from day one, I wanted to work in restaurants. So I remember that I finished my college, which is at 6 in the evening, and I used to go and look for work in different restaurants. So
Right.
there's this one restaurant called Out of the Blue in Bandra.
Yeah.
So this, restaurant very kindly offered me a job, but they said there's only dishwashing which is available. If you can do dishwashing, then you can come and join us. So I said, yeah, why not? Yeah. Matlab, it just gives me another opportunity to be in the kitchen. But what I realized there, being in the dishwashing area is that dishwashing it's an art, it's a skill. And I'll tell you why. Because once you kind of assess the angle in which you're supposed to place the vessel, once you create a motion where you have to scrub using a scrubber and soap, once that motion is set, then you don't have to apply too much of your brain. Then you can
Right.
look everywhere around in the kitchen and you can pick up their jobs in your mind. So
True.
mentally, I started picking up recipes
Yeah.
so much that there was this one guy who did not turn up on one of these evenings. So these guys were very scared and these guys were very nervous. Ke, yaar, ab shift kaise chala hai? So I raised my hand and I said, I can do his job. So they said, okay, but you're in the dishwash. I said, I'm in the dishwash, yes, but I've seen what the guy does.
True.
So this entire exercise became very exciting for me. So that's how I started. And then of course, Oberoi interviews happened and things like that. So then of course, the trajectory completely changed for good. And that's how it happened. But what is interesting here is, and you would know this, I wasn't a topper at St. Xavier's. I used to yes be amongst the top 10, but
Correct.
that could be the latter part of the numbering, right? I was never in the top 5. We
Yeah.
always had Anupam and Ameya, if you remember,
I
always
remember.
topping. Then there
Yeah.
was even Debendranath Banerjee, who would be,
Yes. Always
somewhere
in
in
the
the
top two.
4s and 5s and 6s.
Yes.
Then there was Savio and there was Sean D'Souza and there was Jackson Pereira. All these guys
Yeah. Yeah.
used to always be, the first, I think from the topper to number 7 or number 8 was all standard. Right? Ameya
Yes.
Sawant used to be number 1. I still remember the name. मतलब कितना haunt किया होगा उन बच्चों ने हमको.
Or he was always sweating before the exams, if you remember.
I know. So these boys were always number 1. So हमारे
Yeah.
लिए सिर्फ 9 or 10 बचता था. And I remember I used to always be number 9 for some strange reason. But when Rizvi College happened and when hotel management happened, I suddenly became a topper because that was a subject of my interest. Like I remember even the 11th and 12th standard, I took up science for the sake of it. Because I was very clear कि मुझे मतलब क्या करना है. Whether I take commerce or I take science or I take arts, eventually I need to do hotel school, and all these 3 streams lead to that. So that's how it was part of my muscle memory what I wanted to do. So